Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I don't have any kids myself, sorry to say, but all my friends and my brother and my sister and everybody has kids. And of course, what they all expect from me when it comes to Christmas and birthday, everything, are sneakers. So I have bought a bunch of children's shoes, baby shoes, kids shoes during my time, but I had never showed you. And this time, since I have two different kind of versions, so this is the toddler one, and I think this goes up to 4 years. I don't know about the sizes, but I know that this size goes up to 27. I'm guessing that is the European size. Yeah, exactly. So this is a 7C that in Europe are 23 and a half. Let me check. Yeah, 23 and a half. And this one is a 11C, which in Europe are 28. And this is the Air Jordan 1 Mid, a shoe that I absolutely think that my brother, daughter, and my sister's daughter should have. And there are a bunch of differences between them. And one thing that I was curious about, I know that the toddler shoes get this golden Jumpman sticker, but I don't know about the, yeah, you got one here too. So here we have the differences between toddler and preschool. Toddler doesn't have any relaces. You open them like this. Close them like this. Looks like that. And the preschool that starts with the size 11C, maybe 10, I don't know, looks like the real deal. Let me show you. These are my US 12. And yeah, toddler shoes, I can't demand too much, but they still look really good. I have bought some toddler shoes. I think it were maybe the 11s, Air Jordan 11, and they didn't look at all like the grown-up shoes. And the preschool shoes looked really good. It looks just like the real deal. So I wanted to buy these for her mom as well. That is my sister. But she, just like every other woman that I know, doesn't like flat shoes at all. My sister loves the Air Maxes, like the Air Max 360. And so just a comparison between toddler, the big, one of the sizes, toddler, and the smallest preschool, and a US 12 men. I really like it when Jordan Brand releases shoes in full family sizes, the full size run. So that's it for this very short video. Toddler up to 4 years, I think. Preschool goes up to grade school that we used to call women, and grade school starts at European 37. So these goes up to European 36 then. I don't know about the US sizes. And these, the men's sizes, go from European 39. I don't think they are smaller than 39. Sometimes from 41 up to whatever you want. Thanks for watching. Ask me if you have any questions. Take care.